This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the luggage compartment and unclip the battery cover. Slacken the nut and pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Lift the cover, slacken the nut, and disconnect the positive lead clamp from the battery. Fully unscrew the nut and remove the battery retaining clamp and post. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. Maneuver the battery into position with the negative terminal adjacent to the inner wing. Refit the retaining clamp and post. Then tighten the nut securely. Press the positive lead clamp firmly down over the battery positive terminal and tighten the clamp nut. Reconnect the negative lead clamp to the battery in the same manner. Smear a little petroleum jelly onto the battery terminals to prevent corrosion. Refit the battery cover.